poppin', everybody? It's Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, coming to you straight from freezing Cleveland, Ohio. We are in a little trap style one-bedroom apartment, and we are going to do Berber carpet today. Yeah, crazy. People are still buying Berber. I don't know why, but I'm going to take you through this step by step. So as you can see, we got to replace some tack strip in here. We're going to get that. We're going to get the pad down, and then I'm going to share a couple tips and tricks on how to effectively get Berber carpet installed so you can do the same. Check it out. Alrighty, so the prep work is done. As you can see, we replaced all the tack strip that needed to be replaced. That's the older stuff there. Here's a new strip over here. So we got all that down, good to go. We had the pad installed. There's a wood subfloor that's down, so we just stapled it to the floor. So the room is ready to rock. Now, here's where it's going to get interesting. I just realized I left my tripod at home. So the game must go on. We must continue filming. So here is what I am going to do, and this is going to be janky but fun. I am going to take my phone to one of these lights, and that's going to be the tripod, so I can continue to show you how to install Berber carpet. So stay tuned. We're going to rig this up. Alrighty, so we got the room laid out. Take you on a quick tour. And this is just a little drop bedroom here, but it's all laid out. And what I did, I stretched on and locked on the closet here, trim, tucked, ready to go. So it's nice and secure. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch directly across over there to get it nice and tight on the length. And then this wall right here is going to be our set wall. And after that, we could stretch across, we'll lock on that wall, and then we'll stretch hard that way. Now, the reason I'm sharing this video with you, the big difference, in my opinion, between Berber installations and plush carpet installation is that there's a slight pattern to this carpet, and really this goes for any pattern rug. What you want to keep an eye on is you want to make sure your lines are running straight all the way down the baseboard, because it's going to be a real eyesore. Now with a plush, you can go a little bit faster. If it's slightly off, you would never notice. But with a pattern or a Berber, you're going to notice if these lines run off at an angle. So we want our main wall here to be nice and straight, and then we could stretch everything else on. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this camera to the light so we have a makeshift tripod, and we're going to stretch this on together. All right, now here's where it's going to get fun, crazy, and weird. I have taped the camera to that light, and I could barely see the screen, so I apologize, but I'm just winging it right now. I hope you could see, and we'll review later, but we're gonna upload anyway. So, I am stretching directly across from the closet that I showed you that was already locked on. Just giving it a good kick. I'm gonna take my knife, and these baseboards are pretty janky, so if these were brand new baseboards, don't do it like this. These ones, this will totally fly. I'm just trimming that in. Take my hook knife, tuck it down. And there actually is a vent right here as well. So with the Berbers, you want to make sure that your knife is really sharp, because the strings will just run on you. So I'm going to throw a fresh blade in here. The vent's right here. And once again, I hope you could see this, and if not, I apologize, because I can't see what you're seeing with all the duct tape on that screen. We are going to trim this vent out. Now that we're good here, I'm going to take it to this set wall here. And like I said, this is basically the key part of these Berber installations. You just want to make sure that this wall is straight so you don't get that janky runoff going down the wall. lock it on with your kicker. Boom. Just tuck it in with your hook. Make sure everything's running nice and smooth and straight for the most part. All right, and we have another vent over here, so see if I can get you a close-up of this. I'm going to change my blade again. Slice to figure out edge to edge, then you just start tracing it out. Boom, good to go. So now I'm going to speed everything up for you. And you don't want to hang out too long here. You want to get right down to the goodness. So we're going to go ahead and speed up the tape, drop a beat to this. And while I have you here, we just dropped our new line of merch. Check the link below the video. I'm sure I have something just for you for the holidays. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.